Well, that's home. You start thinking, well, these are all justification images. You see, they're all images of finally being emplaced. So when Jesus says, I am the way, you are finally at home in him because he is the way. I am the truth. He's not handing out propositions like Schwann's Catechism or Tanner's Catechism to memorize and retain forever, but I am the truth. You become true in me, in relation to me. As you know me, you know the truth on two legs, encompassing you, walking with you. So these are tremendous images for pastoral care.